Sup mga paps? So this is a room tour. This is my room. This is where I do all my stuff when I'm not riding. So this is my extra PC. And then this is my extra laptop, or this is my laptop para if ever kailangan mag-edit, kung magta-travel tayo, yan lang yung gagamitin natin. And then so this is my PC. This is where I do the editing. So that's my YouTube video and of course my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, JomskiiTv. So currently we have 1,700 followers. Subscribers. And this is the certificate of completion ng Cebu 600 stickers. Extra battery para sa mic. And then yung mga natin, helmet intercom, and then my vlogging gears. So ito yung mga gears natin para sa GoPro. Meron tayong GoPro Hero 8 TCH stickers, of course. And then mga gamit natin. So we have two GoPros, GoPro Hero 8 and GoPro Hero 5. And of course, these are our helmets. So SEC helmets. Ayan, so yun yung intercom natin. And of course, my other table. This is where I do my other stuff. So I love doing art. That's why I have glue gun, scissors, cutter, soldering iron, paints, thinners, styrofoams, paints, and styrofoams again. So thank you for watching, and this is JomskiiTv. Like and subscribe.